everyone. Today we're going to make some Christmas cookies, getting all ready for the holidays. I decided we're going to go ahead and do cookies, but we're going to make them a little different. We're actually going to stand them up and we're going to make cookie Christmas cards actually. So things that you need, you're going to need a cookie base. If you don't want to use a cookie base, you could just use some kind of a cardboard to place it on. This is just a cake circle. To bake this and cut this out of the dough, if you don't have a cookie cutter that's round and this size, you can just go ahead and use a cake board circle like this. This is a 6-inch, and place it on top of your dough, and then just use a pizza cutter and cut it out and then bake that. And then just look around and see what kind of cookie cutters you have. I'm sure you all have a snowman somewhere. We're going to start with this snowman. And then around the base, I have this little mini candy cane, so I baked 3 of those. And then this is going to be his little broom that's going to stand up. It's a little cookie broom. So for this, I didn't use a cutter. This is just a little bit of cookie dough right here. And all I did is I just took a little piece off and rolled it first into a little ball like this. And then start rolling it this way and kind of roll it out into a cord. It kind of comes apart, you just kind of push it back together. There we go. Okay, and then we don't need it to be this long, so just kind of pinch some of that off. Okay, this is going to be the broom handle right here. And then let me just take another piece of cookie dough, again roll it into a ball. Okay, and then just kind of roll it into more of an egg shape and then start to flatten it. And then pinch it here and at the base. So basically getting it into a triangle shape. Place it down like this, attach it, and then just take anything like a spatula, a knife, anything you have around, and then just start making little lines and actually go ahead and make some cuts. And then make a couple, see on here you can see a couple going this way. And then on the broom handle, you want that to look like wood, so just kind of draw or just press in like that. And then you would just go ahead and, we'll do a couple lines this way too here. Then you would just go ahead and bake this until it's golden brown like this one is, and see how it's all stuck together. Okay, so you would just bake this on a piece of parchment paper, on a cookie sheet obviously, on a piece of parchment paper. And you can do them in different sizes. Okay, so that's how you do that. Everything else is just basic baking. You know, the cookies are about, it depends how thick you like them. Some people like them up to a 1/4 inch thick. This is a little less than that.